Hi group, this is a short screencast or a how-to video on how to do the fact sheet for assignment 1C. So if we go under our week 3 folder, we will find assignment 1 part C, and of course note the upload link is there for you to submit all parts of the assignment by the end of week 3. So the assignment sheet that you're working on for Part C is developing a fact sheet. And in this document, I explain in quite detail what a fact sheet is. I provide a link to a sample so you can have a look at it. But how do you work with the template that I've loaded for you here? If you select the Word version of the digestive system fact sheet, if I open it up here, and I open up the document, just give it a second to populate. Here we go. And this is the document that I'm asking you to put your own pieces of information that you feel are relevant to the fact sheet. Think of a fact sheet as an infographic providing information and informing people of a particular topic in healthcare. In this fact sheet, you're going to tell me or share with me some of the things you know now about the digestive system in your own words. How you work with this is you just simply click below wherever there's a heading, and there's a text box for you to populate and put in the responses to the heading. So the first heading is describe and summarize the digestive system. So in your words, populate information that you think is relevant about the digestive system. Then move to the next box, and I want you to come up with 4 interesting facts about the digestive system. Any 4 facts that you found are important or relevant that a reader would find interesting. Include your name on the document, as you can see here, and you're welcome to change an image, but if you do, make sure you attribute where you found the image. And then finally, on the second page, it's like a brochure, detail 3 conditions you now know about the digestive system, again, by populating in the text box. You can move your spacing however you want it to reflect. You can make some edits, but I thought it would be helpful to start with the template for this assignment since it's your first fact sheet for our course already designed. I hope this information has helped you get started with our fact sheet. Thanks.